What you're looking at right now is an AI avatar generated from a single image with expressions and gestures that are perfectly synced to my voice. And I can change the outfit and location just by typing a prompt. So you can use your AI avatar to tell incredible stories, to update your team with useful information, or gain the attention of new clients. And by the end of this video, you'll learn how to replace time-consuming recording sessions with an AI avatar workflow that allows for perfect consistency across your videos. To do this, I'll be using a tool that's already used by the majority of Fortune 100 companies because it's the most realistic avatar generator on the market. And I can use it to make my AI clone perform any action or speak over 140 different languages in my own voice. And the fact is that making an AI avatar used to take a really long time with lengthy recording sessions and long processing times, but now all you need is a single image of yourself. So to get started, follow the link in the description to head over to Synthesia, which has all of the tools that we need to use. And from the dashboard, you can open up the avatars menu, hit create avatar, and then make a personal avatar. And you can now see that there are two different styles of clone that you can make. You can create an Express 2 avatar from a single image, or a legacy avatar by recording a video. And the quickest and most customizable method is by making an avatar from a high quality photo, which I can take directly from my webcam, or I can upload an image from my computer. The photo is just to capture your likeness, and the rest is fully customizable, so you can change your outfit and location to whatever you want later in the process. But to get the very best, most realistic results from your AI clone, you want to use as high a quality image as possible. It's also best to take an image of yourself smiling, which can help make the most realistic mouth movements. Once you've uploaded your image, the AI will check it, and when that's done, you can choose to record a voice clone. Hit record new voice, and it's worth mentioning that you can record in any language, and if you have a good quality microphone, you should connect it to Synthesia now. And when you're ready, hit get started, and you just need to read a short script off the screen. Hit start recording, there'll be a 3-second countdown, and the words will scroll slowly up the screen like this. You just need to read it as naturally as you can whilst paying attention to the pauses and the different emotions in the script as well. Once that's done, you can submit your recording, and then you just need to record your consent by reading another very short script off the screen like this. And there is one more step after that for biometric consent, and after that, the processing for an Express 2 avatar only takes a few minutes. And when it's done, you'll see your clone sitting in the dashboard ready for you to use. And now I can customize my avatar to wear any outfit that I describe. All I need to do is add a prompt into this box. So let's say I want to see myself as a scientist. I can just describe a white lab coat with goggles. And I can also choose to add any logos by opening up this menu at the top. And once I've added that, I can hit generate, and in a few minutes it's created my custom outfit, and I can now make a new video with my custom avatar. And now inside the Synthesia editor, I can customize it even more by making my avatar speak or perform any action. On the canvas, select the avatar, open up the spaces menu, and hit create space, where I can now add a location prompt in the same way as I did with the outfit. So I want to see mine standing in a science lab. Hit generate, and all of the outfits and locations will be saved in this list right here, so you can access any of them at any time. But I'm obviously going to use the one that I just generated, so I can add that location to my project like this. Then to make your avatar talk, it is really simple. Just go down to the box at the bottom of the screen, and because we recorded a voice clone in our initial avatar generation, you'll see that it's now using that voice as default. But I can open up that menu here and select a different character voice from the menu. There are hundreds of different stock voices if you want to use those instead. But obviously I want to use the AI voice clone that I just generated, so I'll leave that as it is, and I can listen to what my voice clone is sounding like by pressing play right here.
Today, we're going to show you the incredible technology inside the Synthesia labs.
Now, don't panic, the avatar will lip sync and gesture once we export the final version, but before we do that, I can also make my avatar perform any action. Select the avatar on the canvas once again and open up the media tab. And again, I just need to describe whatever I want to see my avatar do. And you'll see that the outfit and location of my avatar is also included in this prompt. But when I hit generate, it's going to create my clip and drop it onto the current scene, but you don't have to keep it there if you don't want to. You can just select it to delete it off that scene and continue to build out your video by adding new scenes in the top left. And from the media tab, I could choose to add my custom clips to any template or scene that I've created.
Today, we're going to show you the incredible technology inside the Synthesia labs. It all starts with research. Our team of engineers are the best in the business.
Now, what we just went through is probably the most manual way of creating AI avatar videos in Synthesia, but you can also create videos directly from documents, web pages, or scripts that you've already written. Back in the dashboard, you can choose to start with Assistant, add a prompt, and here you can add any PowerPoint, Word doc, or PDF that you have, and it will generate a realistic AI avatar video from that source. So this is especially useful when you're making videos for work that you want to really engage people with. Once you're done editing, you can hit generate in the top right and then generate again. And now on the next video view page, you can make your content reach entire new regions by making your AI avatar speak over 140 different languages. Just hit translate at the top of the screen and choose the languages that you want from the drop down menu. You can pick as many as you like from this list. Then click translate and your video will be exported in multiple different languages, and it will even localize the text on screen. So your video is now ready to share around the world, and you can either download it as an MP4 file or share it as a link with your audience.
วันนี้เราจะพาคุณไปดูเทคโนโลยีสุดล้ำพายในห้องแลบของ Synthesia.
But if you want to make fully interactive training videos or quiz videos featuring your AI avatar, you should watch this tutorial on screen right now.